Set AQ16 solution. Explanation of the video will be at the end. Explanation. This is an HTML code that contains two input fields and a button. The input fields allow the user to enter a username and a password, and when the user clicks the button, a JavaScript function called login is called, which checks whether the username and password entered by the user are correct or not. Here's a breakdown of how the code works. 1. The first line, less than HTML greater than, indicates the start of an HTML document. 2. The second line starts the less than body greater than tag, which defines the content of the web page that is visible to the user. 3. The first less than input greater than tag creates an input field for the user to enter a username with the id attribute, a name, and the placeholder attribute, username. 4. The second less than input greater than tag creates an input field for the user to enter a password with the id attribute, pass, and the placeholder attribute, password. 5. The less than button greater than tag creates a button with the onClick attribute that calls the login function when clicked. 6. The less than script greater than tag is used to define a JavaScript function called login. 7. Inside the login function, the document getElementP method is used to retrieve the values of the username and password entered by the user. 8. An if statement is used to check whether the username is ABC and the password is 123. 9. If the username and password match, an alert box is displayed welcoming the user with their username. 10. If the username and password do not match, an alert box is displayed indicating that the user has entered invalid details. So when the user enters a username and password in the input fields and clicks the button, the login function is called to check whether the username and password are correct or not. If they match, an alert box is displayed welcoming the user with their username. If they do not match, an alert box is displayed indicating that the user has entered invalid details.